In a world where consumerism reigns supreme, the term cheap often carries a heavy, negative stigma. It conjures images of penny pinching, joyless scrimping, and an overall lack of generosity. But what if we've been looking at it all wrong? What if being cheap isn't about a scarcity mindset, but about making empowered, intentional choices with our resources? Imagine a lifestyle where every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom, where being cheap doesn't mean sacrificing quality but prioritizing it in a more meaningful way. This isn't about foregoing life's pleasures, but about enjoying them more sustainably and consciously. The art of being cheap, when understood and applied with intention, can transform our lives, offering us freedom, security, and peace of mind that no amount of spending can. By redefining what it means to be cheap, we unlock a world of possibilities. Financial independence becomes an achievable goal, not a distant dream. We contribute to a healthier planet by minimizing waste and excess. We learn to value experiences over possessions, quality over quantity, and long-term satisfaction over instant gratification. Being cheap, in essence, becomes a deliberate strategy for a richer, more fulfilling life. So, let's embark on a journey to explore why being cheap is not just important but essential. Through this video, we'll dismantle the myths, uncover the benefits, and provide practical tips for embracing a lifestyle that celebrates being cheap as a path to true wealth and happiness. In the heart of a bustling city, where the bright lights of consumerism shine the brightest, the story of being cheap unfolds not as a tale of scarcity, but as a narrative of empowerment and wisdom. Picture Sarah, a young professional who, amidst the allure of endless shopping sprees and the latest tech gadgets, chooses a different path. She embodies the misunderstood virtue of being cheap, a decision that's not about skimping joylessly, but about crafting a life rich in value and purpose. Recent data from the Bureau of Economic Analysis highlights a startling trend. The average American saves less than 4.1% of their income, a figure that's been on a steady decline. Yet, Sarah's story diverges from this path. By embracing the principles of being cheap, she's managed to double this percentage, channeling her savings into investments that promise long-term growth and stability. Sarah's approach to personal finance is a vivid example of how being cheap is often misconstrued. It's not about denying oneself the pleasures of life, but about making strategic choices. She opts for quality over quantity, investing in items that offer durability and timeless value, rather than succumbing to the fleeting allure of fast fashion and disposable gadgets. Her lifestyle is a testament to the environmental and psychological benefits of this philosophy. By reducing consumption, she contributes to a lesser demand for mass-produced goods, directly impacting waste reduction and resource conservation. Psychologically, Sarah enjoys a sense of peace and security, free from the anxiety of living paycheck to paycheck. Being cheap, as Sarah demonstrates, is about making informed decisions that align with one's values and long-term goals. It's a story of how, with a bit of guidance and a shift in perspective, being cheap can lead to a life that's not only financially secure, but also rich in experiences and personal fulfillment. Imagine Jack, a middle-aged teacher with a passion for photography and a dream of traveling the world. Jack's story is not just about wanderlust. It's a powerful narrative on achieving financial freedom and security through the principle of being cheap, a principle often misunderstood in today's consumer-driven society. According to a recent survey by the Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of American adults wouldn't be able to cover a $400 emergency expense without selling something or borrowing money. This statistic is a stark reminder of the fragile financial state many find themselves in. Yet, Jack's journey offers a beacon of hope. By adopting a frugal lifestyle, Jack has managed to put aside a significant portion of his income each month. He's not just saving, he's investing in his future. Through careful planning and a focus on long-term goals, Jack has built a diversified investment portfolio that now generates a steady passive income, inching him closer to his dream of financial independence. Jack's approach to personal finance is simple yet profound. He prioritizes experiences over possessions, choosing to spend on travel and photography equipment that enriches his life and fuels his passions. This deliberate choice to be cheap in certain areas allows him to allocate resources towards what truly matters to him. It's a narrative that challenges the conventional wisdom of spending and consumption, urging us to reconsider our financial habits. Through Jack's eyes, we see that being cheap is not about deprivation but about making strategic choices that lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. Let's journey with Maya, an eco-conscious graphic designer whose personal finance decisions are deeply intertwined with her commitment to the planet. Maya's story is not just about saving money. It's a vivid illustration of how being cheap can have a profound environmental impact, reflecting a growing trend among environmentally aware individuals. Recent studies, including one from the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), reveal that the average American generates about 4.9 pounds of trash per day, with a significant portion ending up in landfills. This statistic is a wake-up call for many, including Maya, who sees an opportunity to make a difference through her financial choices. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, Maya has significantly reduced her consumption. She buys less, chooses items with less packaging, and supports brands committed to sustainability. This isn't just about being cheap. It's about being smart and responsible. Maya's choices help reduce waste and decrease the demand for new products, which in turn lowers the carbon footprint associated with production and transportation. Maya's approach extends beyond her purchasing habits. She invests in high-quality, durable goods that last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Her financial strategy is a testament to the power of personal finance in driving environmental change. By choosing to save and spend wisely, Maya contributes to a more sustainable world, proving that being cheap can indeed be a powerful tool for environmental stewardship. Our personal finance decisions have the potential to shape a better world. Being cheap, in the context of environmental impact, is about making thoughtful choices that benefit both our wallets and our planet. It's a narrative that encourages us to rethink our consumption habits and embrace a lifestyle that values sustainability over excess. Meet Alex, a software developer with a keen eye for quality in both his professional and personal life. Alex's story is a compelling narrative that brings to life the principle of quality over quantity, especially in the realm of personal finance. This approach, often overshadowed by the allure of bargains and discounts, is about making more informed and sustainable choices. In a recent consumer survey, it was found that 65% of Americans are willing to pay more for products that promise durability and longevity. Alex is part of this growing trend. He understands that being cheap doesn't mean hunting for the lowest price tag. Instead, it's about assessing the long-term value of his purchases. For instance, when Alex needed a new laptop, he didn't opt for the cheapest option. He chose one that was slightly more expensive but known for its durability and performance. This decision, based on the principle of quality over quantity, meant that Alex wouldn't need to replace his laptop for many years, ultimately saving money in the long run. Alex applies this principle beyond technology. Whether it's clothing, furniture, or even groceries, he prioritizes products that offer the best value for money, not just in terms of cost, but in their lifespan and impact on the environment. Investing in quality not only enhances personal satisfaction but also contributes to financial savings over time. It's a narrative that challenges us to rethink our consumption habits and to recognize the true cost of choosing quantity over quality. Enter the world of Emma, a high school teacher with a passion for painting and a journey that beautifully illustrates the psychological benefits of being cheap. Emma's story is not just about saving pennies. It's a deeper exploration of how mindful spending can lead to a more serene and fulfilled life. Recent studies, including one from the American Psychological Association, reveal that financial stress is a significant source of anxiety for about 87% of Americans. Emma, aware of this statistic, chose a different path. By adopting a cheap lifestyle, she's not just saving money, she's investing in her mental health. Emma's approach to personal finance is simple yet revolutionary. She budgets meticulously, distinguishing between wants and needs, and allocates her resources towards activities that enrich her soul, like her art supplies. This deliberate choice to live within her means has liberated Emma from the shackles of financial stress, allowing her creativity to flourish. Moreover, Emma's story highlights the joy of value-based spending. By focusing on what truly matters to her, she experiences a profound sense of satisfaction and contentment with her purchases. This intentional approach has not only enhanced her financial well-being but has also contributed to a significant reduction in anxiety and stress. Meet Lucas, a recent college graduate stepping into the world of personal finance with enthusiasm and a keen desire to navigate his journey wisely. Lucas's story is a beacon for anyone looking to embrace the virtue of being cheap, not as a constraint but as a liberating lifestyle choice. In an era where the average American carries $5,910 in credit card debt, According to Experian, Lucas stands out by adopting practical tips that steer him clear of the debt trap and towards financial independence. His approach is simple yet effective, embodying the essence of being cheap without feeling deprived. Firstly, Lucas swears by the power of budgeting. He uses a 50 by 30/20 rule, allocating 50% of his income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This strategy not only helps him live within his means but also ensures that he's steadily building his savings. Secondly, Lucas has mastered the art of deal hunting. Whether it's groceries, clothing, or entertainment, he's always on the lookout for discounts, coupons, and cashback offers. This diligence allows him to enjoy life's pleasures without overspending. Moreover, Lucas emphasizes the importance of quality over quantity. He invests in durable goods that might cost more upfront but save money in the long run. This approach reduces the need for frequent replacements, aligning with both his financial goals and environmental values. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.